Hello, I'm Derek. Today I'm going to show you how to make this yummy mummy dog treat for a nice Halloween treat to make with the kids. They love making it and they have a lot of fun doing it. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, first we're going to start by getting a knife and your hot dogs. We're going to cut out little strips for the arms. I'm going to cut right down the middle for the legs. So whenever you're cooking it, it'll have little arms and legs sticking out of it. Alright, and as you see, you get the crescent dough.
Oh my god.
And you cut up, doesn't matter what size or shape you make it, just cut it up into pieces. It usually the ones that come in those little cans. And you just get the crescent dough and you wrap it around your little mummy dogs. However you want. You can put as much or as little as you want on it.
Get that up, get that up. Get up. Wait, no.
You can be creative with it.
That's too much.
You can make it your mummy look like a...
Oh,
any kind of way you want.
Like this. Hello. Hi, how you doing? My Bob. My name's Weirdo. What the?
You see, my one daughter is covering the thing completely in crescent dough.
Bob. Wait.
My youngest is only doing a little bit. My oldest is trying to be all artistic with it. Put a little hat on its head and everything.
I put a hat on.
Alright, I will come back to you guys and show you our finished product here in a little bit. Stay tuned. See, here we have my family and I's wonderful works of art, plus some leftover crescent dough, so I just laid it on the tray for cooking. As you see, we are true artists in this family. We have the oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and put this in. I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes. And then I'll show you guys the final product. Alright, now the timer went off. Let's see how these things turned out, shall we? Oh, so cute. Looks like I got gone out just in time too. Starting to turn brown. Looking pretty good. Alright, and that's how you make these yummy, delicious mummy dog treats. The kids had a lot of fun doing it. It's not messy. It's fun for the whole family. Well, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy these with my family now. So let's go ahead and stay goofy out there.